Now this is a instant seller for us, and it's a piece of me for sure. Range Rover Sport, real special car. It's a 22 and it's a HSE Dynamic Black, so it's the last of the line of this model car, but it's absolutely stunning. New engine, D300, 300 direct brake horsepower, 3 litre diesel. Look at this car. It's fully loaded, it's beautiful. If you're looking for a 4-wheel drive, and let's just think about this. This is a 22 plate car, so it's got warranty with Land Rover until 2025, but it's more than 30 grand cheaper than you would get the new Sport for, and I just think that represents unbelievable value. It's done 19,000 miles. It's in a wonderful order, and this car comes fully loaded. You can see from the exterior already what it looks like. Fully black, Santorini black, full black styling package, part of the HSE Dynamic Black pack. Grille, badges, bonnet inserts, wing inserts. The full car is blacked out, and that's what we love here. It's what sells for us, and it's what you guys want as well. But then we've got things like the wheels, 22-inch wheels. This car's got red braking calipers. It's been ceramic coated as well, so it is lovely, this car. Fixed side steps, keyless entry, opening sunroof, refrigerator, everything. It's beautiful. But not only that, it is a Range Rover Sport. Somebody might want to pull something with this car. It's got a factory deployable tow bar, another wonderful feature for any Land Rover. Little button in here, push that, out comes this tow bar, folds away nice and neatly. That is a two grand option, I do believe, on the car, which is stunning. Loads of space, electric boot. The car is a beauty, and it's just such great value for money for what you get, especially having all that Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance for such a long time. Heated rear seats, full black leather, so the car is fully black, triple black pack. Wonderful order, what a car this is. And you get so many features on this car that you don't get on a normal Sport. So we've got the Meridian sound, we've got memory seats, we've got heated steering wheel, we've got refrigerator, the camera system, air suspension, the opening roof. And that's what we love, you know. If you're looking for a 4-wheel drive, the Range Rover Sport drives so well, but this being the newer engine, the current engine that Land Rover build, the 300, it's got loads of power. It's smooth, it's quiet, and this car drives unbelievably well, so tight. You'll see the dynamic steering wheel, which is slightly smaller with the metallic sections. I've got the heated steering wheel on, it's cold in our showroom, that's lovely. Cruise control, ceramic dials on the steering wheel, duo screens, so the top one with the navigation, media, Bluetooth, Apple Android CarPlay, it's all there. Deployable tow bar settings as well, then we put it into reverse, you've got your reversing camera. And then down here we've got this other screen with different drive modes. It is a dynamic, so we have dynamic drive, eco drive, obviously off-road modes, grass, gravel, snow, climate control, seat selections which are heated to the front, I've got mine on. Refrigerator under the centre armrest, which again is a nice feature, and the air suspension, everything's in place. It's a lovely car, 2 keys, glass roof, which opens. Dynamic black HSE, it doesn't come much better in a Range Rover Sport for the money and the 4-wheel drive, the driving capabilities, the look. It's got everything on the website now. My name's Richard, use my number on the screen, give me a call. Thanks for watching.